For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Want to turn every customer into a fan? Watch ice cream being rolled live. It's mesmerizing and irresistible. Fried ice cream roll machine. This machine is perfect if you want to wow customers or guests. I've used it at a busy night market, and the crowd's reaction is priceless. In just 3 minutes, you can create rolled ice cream, frozen yogurt, or ice cream bars, fresh, smooth, and ready to serve. The built-in compressor and U-shaped copper cooling system freeze your ice cream evenly so every roll looks perfect. The large square work surface gives you room to mix and spread ingredients without spills. Plus, the stainless steel build, SUS 304 pan and SUS 201 exterior makes cleaning quick and ensures it lasts for daily use. The defrost function is a lifesaver, prevents sticky messes during busy hours. 4 wheels, including swivel casters with brakes, let you move it anywhere effortlessly. It even comes with handy accessories like spatulas, ingredient containers, a measuring cup, and a dust cover to keep your setup neat. Where it shines? Food trucks, night markets, cafes, dessert shops, anywhere speed, efficiency, and presentation matter. From my experience, customers can't resist stopping when they see ice cream being rolled live. Why choose it? Fast, durable, and easy to use. This machine lets you serve fresh, professional rolled ice cream every time and keeps your customers coming back for more.